The Indian electric two-wheeler market has evolved rapidly over the past few years, and Bajaj Auto is positioning itself to play a much bigger role in this transformation. The 2026 new Bajaj electric scooter represents more than just a model update. It signals a refined vision of urban mobility that blends performance, reliability, and practicality with modern electric technology. Built on Bajaj's legacy of engineering and mass-market understanding, this scooter aims to challenge both established EV players and traditional petrol rivals. Bajaj's electric strategy for 2026. By 2026, Bajaj is expected to shift from cautious experimentation to confident expansion in the electric segment. The company's approach focuses on scalable platforms, improved battery localization, and long-term durability rather than chasing gimmicks. This new electric scooter is designed to appeal to daily commuters, young professionals, and families who want a dependable electric alternative without sacrificing familiarity or brand trust. Design philosophy and exterior appeal. The 2026 Bajaj electric scooter adopts a clean and contemporary design language while staying practical for Indian road conditions. The body panels are likely to be aerodynamic yet robust, avoiding excessive sharp edges in favor of smooth, timeless lines. A balanced stance, wide floorboard, and well-proportioned seat give the scooter a premium yet approachable presence. Subtle detailing, modern LED lighting, and refined paint finishes enhance the overall appeal without being overly flashy. Bajaj's focus appears to be on longevity and everyday usability rather than short-lived design trends. Build quality and chassis engineering. Bajaj has traditionally been known for strong chassis development, and the 2026 electric scooter continues that philosophy. The frame is expected to be engineered specifically for electric architecture, ensuring optimal weight distribution and improved handling. Reinforced components and quality. Materials aim to deliver long-term durability even under demanding daily use. The scooter is designed to feel solid at speed, stable during cornering, and confident over uneven surfaces, key expectations for Indian urban and semi-urban environments. Electric motor and performance characteristics. Performance is expected to be smooth, predictable, and refined rather than aggressively sporty. The electric motor is likely tuned for strong low-end torque, allowing quick acceleration from standstill, which is essential for city traffic. Power delivery is expected to be linear, making the scooter easy to ride for both new and experienced users. Top speed figures are designed to comfortably handle urban and suburban commuting, with enough reserve to feel confident on open roads. Battery technology and range expectations. One of the most crucial aspects of the 2026 Bajaj electric scooter is its battery system. Bajaj is expected to use an advanced lithium-ion battery with improved thermal management and higher energy density. The focus is on real-world range rather than inflated claims. The scooter is engineered to deliver consistent performance across varying temperatures and riding conditions. Range figures are expected to comfortably support daily commuting needs, reducing range anxiety and charging frequency for users. Charging options and convenience. Charging convenience plays a major role in electric vehicle adoption. The 2026 model is expected to support standard home charging along with faster charging options where infrastructure allows. Bajaj's emphasis is on simplicity: plug in, charge reliably, and ride without complications. Battery protection systems are designed to enhance longevity and safety, ensuring stable performance over years of ownership. Comfort remains a core priority. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb potholes, speed breakers, and uneven roads without compromising stability. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, making long commutes less tiring. Seat cushioning, handlebar positioning, and footboard space are all optimized for daily usability, accommodating a wide range of rider heights and body types. Braking system and safety features. Safety is addressed through a well-balanced braking system, likely featuring disc brakes with advanced braking assistance. The braking response is designed to be progressive and predictable, inspiring confidence in both new and experienced riders. Additional safety measures may include traction control logic, robust electrical insulation, and intelligent power cutoff systems to enhance rider protection. Smart features and digital interface. The 2026 Bajaj electric scooter is expected to integrate smart connectivity without overwhelming the user. A digital instrument cluster provides essential riding information clearly and intuitively. Smartphone connectivity features may include navigation assistance, ride statistics, and system diagnostics. The focus remains on functionality rather than excessive screen complexity, ensuring that technology enhances the ride instead of distracting from it. Practicality for daily commuting. Storage space, ease of maintenance, and real-world usability are central to the scooter's design. Adequate under-seat storage, durable switchgear, and weather-resistant components make it suitable for everyday use. Bajaj's widespread service network plays a key role in making electric ownership more accessible and worry-free. Cost efficiency and ownership value. The 2026 Bajaj electric scooter is positioned to offer strong value over its life cycle. Lower running costs, reduced maintenance requirements, and efficient energy consumption contribute to long-term savings. Bajaj's manufacturing scale helps keep pricing competitive. This scooter is aimed at customers who want an electric vehicle that makes financial sense as well as practical sense. Competition and market positioning. In an increasingly crowded electric scooter market, Bajaj's advantage lies in brand trust and engineering consistency. Rather than focusing solely on early adopters, this model targets mass market acceptance. It competes by offering balance, performance, reliability, range, and comfort, rather than excelling in only one area. Environmental impact and sustainability. The transition to electric mobility aligns with broader environmental goals. Bajaj's 2026 scooter is designed to reduce emissions, minimize noise pollution, and support sustainable urban transport. Localized production and improved battery recycling initiatives further strengthen its environmental credentials. Future-ready platform and upgradability. The scooter is expected to be built on a platform that supports future software updates and potential hardware enhancements. This ensures the vehicle remains relevant as technology evolves, protecting the buyer's investment over time. Who should consider the 2026 Bajaj electric scooter? This scooter is ideal for urban commuters, first-time EV buyers, and those seeking a dependable, no-nonsense electric two-wheeler. It appeals to riders who value practicality, comfort, and long-term reliability over extreme performance or flashy features. Final thoughts: a mature electric solution. The 2026 new Bajaj electric scooter represents a mature step forward in India's electric mobility journey. It reflects a careful balance of innovation and practicality, backed by a brand that understands real-world riding conditions. Rather than reinventing mobility, Bajaj refines it, offering an electric scooter that fits seamlessly into everyday life while preparing riders for a cleaner, smarter future.